Hey, Minette. Hi, kitty. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I always want to be as nosy as he can possibly be. Okay, what we got going here, I've got a PVC gate that went into where we used to have a pool, and latch assembly broke, and don't have time to go get another one, and so I got to come up with something, because better half is fussing because of the wind we've been having. This thing going slamming and banging. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make just a little quickie hasp block to keep this thing closed until I can get a proper latch for it. So let's go make it. I mean, I could make it out of a piece of 1x or something like that, but I think I want to make it out of metal, and I want to use this unistrut material here. I can put holes anywhere I want to. I mean, I'll take and bend me up. If here you can see better, I'll just bend me up like a little lever, and then cut it off, you know, because that's a 4x4 post, treated post out there. Have it where it maybe goes 2 or 3 inches over onto the plastic part of the gate. So we'll cut that off here. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our little grinder here, and we're going to use this cutoff wheel, put it on the grinder. Of course, you want to use your tool then to finish tightening that up. And before you go cutting that thing, please, folks, wear some protective goggles, glasses, you know, whatever you've got that'll protect your eyes, because that thing will definitely throw crap around, sparks and little pieces of shrapnel and everything like that. So you want to, you know, be sure and wear these things to protect your eyeballs. I mean, you can replace cut-off wheels, you can replace pieces of metal, you can replace tools, but you can't replace your eyeballs. So we'll get this thing cut now. Cut, now we're going to take this off. I've already loosened it. And we'll put that back in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a little 80 grit flapper disc on here, and we'll round over the edges. And we'll put that on and tighten her up. Well, hang on, cooperate. I forgot my tripod. My bad. Put this on here, and use your wrench and to tighten it up. Takes 2 hands because I got a little stop button there you got to push. And then again, of course, this also throws out crap. Be sure and put these on. So we'll get that around our corners and then go put her on. I mean, I'm sure most of you has wound up losing stuff. You know you've got it, but you look everywhere to try to find it, and it's nowhere to be found. Then you start saying expletives and all that jazz. But, you know, common courtesy to yourself and to save aggravation in the future, when you get through with your stuff, put it back up. And that way you'll know where it will be next time around. Let's go put this on. Got her made, got her edges all smoothed off, no rough corners or anything like that. And what we're going to do, get this thing to close here, is we're going to do it like that and have a pivot like that where we can keep her closed. So we'll get that done and I'll bring you back. Started using a Phillips head deck screw so we won't have to worry about rust, and I put a washer behind it, and then to keep it from flopping on and going all the way down, I've got me a stop screw there. So now let's just finish putting this thing in place. We don't want it real tight. Still a little loose. Nope, too much. Back her off. Well, let's be quicker on the trigger. Alright, now we're going to run a stop screw in here. There we go. Now let me lay the drill down here. Let's see how it works. So we can still get in here and push her down to the stop. So, problem solved. Mama's going to be happy, because if Mama ain't happy, ain't nobody going to be happy, because she'll make your life miserable. Hey, hope this little quick tip, you know, was something good for you. Might have got a little bit out of it, or how what to do and what not to do, or whatever. But hey, thanks for stopping by, and thanks for looking over my shoulder. Catch y'all next time. Bye.